A very warm welcome to all of you. Today we are going to discuss the chapter Expert Detectives. The chapter is written by Sharda Dwivedi. And the main key points of the chapter are, first of all, we would be discussing the main characters, and then the main plot, and then a chapter analysis. So let us begin with the main characters of the story. First, we would be discussing about soft-hearted Nishad. Nishad is a 7-year-old child and his sister Maya, who is 10 years old. These two children keep on worrying, keep on thinking and discussing about Mr. Nath and his mysterious appearance. Nishad is a very soft hearted person, and throughout the story, he keeps on thinking that Mr. Nath is a poor person who doesn't have enough of money. Then it was Mr. Nath's scars, the burnt faces, the burnt marks that bothered these two children. On their mother's birthday, Nishad went along his mother to the clinic. He happened to see Mr. Nath there and gave him a chocolate. But the main motive of Nishad was to get or an overview of the room, because these two children used to think that he has got some money stashed in his box. Next point, he also collects information from Ramesh, who happens to be the waiter and who delivers food to Mr. Nath on a regular basis. Throughout the story, Nishad happens to believe that Mr. Nath is a good person, but he is very lonely. Therefore, in the end of the chapter, Nishad has decided to be a friend of Mr. Nath. Now, coming on to the next character of the story, who is Maya. Now, these two children, their schools were about to reopen after the summer vacations. But due to heavy rainfall and flooding, their vacations got extended. Therefore, Maya started to utilize those holidays and she started writing a book, Expert Detectives. In that book, Maya had collected and written various facts about Mr. Nath. Now, Maya had her own theories about Mr. Nath, that he is a crook, nobody likes him, and he has got no friends, no relatives, he doesn't earn or go to work anywhere, which were also the main facts that she included in her book. She also feels that the Sunday visitor is his accomplice, Mr. Nath's accomplice, and they share the loot equally. Maya also believes that Mr. Nath might have stashed lots of money and jewelry in his box, and therefore she has her own thinking about the scars that Mr. Nath might have got. She says that he might have got those scars while escaping and running away from the police. But when Nishad tells her that they are burn marks, then Maya says that the police might have to burn his house in order to take him outside. Therefore, throughout the story, Maya's belief is that Mr. Nath is a criminal who has who has got lots and lots of money, and he is not at all a good person. Now, coming on to the mysterious Mr. Nath, Nishad and his 10-year-old sister Maya were very inquisitive. Inquisitive means very curious about the neighbor Mr. Nath. Mr. Nath was also a patient of their mother. Since he had got all those burnt marks on his face, therefore he wanted to get them cured, and therefore he referred to their mother. Mr. Nath had burnt scars all over his face, so everyone was scared of his appearance, and as a result, he had got no friends. He used to live at Shankar's house from more than 1 year, but he never ever worked anywhere, and therefore he never went outside. And since everyone was really very scared of his burnt marks, therefore nobody became friends with him. Mr. Nath has become a topic of mystery to these two children, as they can't decide if he is a good person or not. Mr. Nath orders food from the restaurant from Ramesh and tips him well, which is an indication of him having a good side. He has only one visitor, which is on Sundays. Now, coming on to the next characters of the story, the Ramesh and the Sunday visitor. Ramesh is a food delivery boy who delivers food to Mr. Nath, and he also gives this information to Nishad, which is that Mr. Nath orders food two times, one in the morning and the other is dinner. Also, he orders two chapati, sabzi, dal daily and 2 cups of tea. Ramesh is also tipped well by Mr. Nath, and Ramesh also informs Nishad about the Sunday visitor. The Sunday visitor is a tall, fair, stout person who speaks a lot, and he is the only person which Mr. Nath knows or is in acquaintance of. Now, this is so much about the main characters. Now, let us do a analysis of the story. And the main key points are, first of all, this story represents creativity. These two children are being their creative at the best level because they are trying to sort out all the points. They are observing each and everything about Mr. Nath, and then they are imagining things. Maya and Nishad are analyzing and imagining things on their own if Mr. Nath is a good person or not. And then they have observed the surroundings as well. For example, they have observed the Sunday visitor. For example, they have observed that Ramesh is the waiter who is being tipped well and the food that Mr. Nath is served. Now, being a detective, Maya has tried and kept her records just exactly like she sees in a movie. She has made a book, she has wrote down her name and the authors, and then she has collected those facts. So basically, all in all, this story not only gives or develops the creativity and the imagination of these two children, but it is also a good means of exploring their minds or exploring their surroundings. So this is that's it about the story. I hope you like the explanation. So thank you.